If something unexpected happens today, are you financially prepared, or are you just hoping for the best? My name is Seye. Welcome to Insurance Capsule, where we simplify insurance and explain clearly, practically, and honestly the way insurance works. Because insurance is not supposed to be confusing. It is not supposed to sound like big grammar. And it is definitely not supposed to feel like a mystery. Here on Insurance Capsule, we will talk about what insurance really is, how it works, how it affects our everyday lives, and why it should matter not only when something goes wrong. We will break down how claims are processed, what underwriting means, and what you must know before signing any policy documents. No pressure, no confusion, just clarity. So follow this page and let's take insurance one capsule